Let's make some non-baked cheesecake. This is mango cheesecake I'm going to make. You need mango puree, cream cheese of course. You can use cracker for the base, and I'm using this. It's a Chinese fried noodle. I use it for base. Mango puree, you can buy puree, you can make it yourself. I make it myself, and this is a topping. Blueberry and some mango dye and strawberry for the topping decoration. You might need some sugar because the mango is really sour. Cream cheese, agua for thickening. That's all ingredient I think I have. Let's do it. Yeah, once the base is pressed down, done, put in the refrigerator for coating or freezer for fast cool down to hardening the base. Melt the agua. Make sure that you have 10 minutes to dissolve. Now let's put the agua in. And stir it until it boils, I think. Time to beat up the cheese. Just beat it up. Mix it up, beat it up until it's really even. Yeah, eat the mangoes puree little by little. Don't eat at one time. Just make it easier to work on it. Now start pouring in now. Just doing a little decoration right now. But it need to put in the refrigerator for 12 hours. At least 12 hours to 24 hours. When it's everything cold and firm, then you can eat it. Let me show you. Now, finish decoration. You gotta put it in the refrigerator, not freezer, refrigerator for 12 or 18 hours. So it will be formed. Hopefully, see how successful it is, because that's my actually second time to do that. Well, the cake is look beautiful, and they already have their share. Now this is my share. Aha! That is my share. Really good. Pretty successful this time. Nice cheesecake. Very not too thick at all because I put a lot of mango to it. The sweetness and the mango flavor is so strong, and they have some strawberry topping and everything. This is the mango that I don't put it in and put on top. That's a nice cheesecake. I made it myself. Thank you for watching and enjoy.